So we're finally surpassing 250 subscribers, guys. We're so excited and we're so humbled. As a reward, we're gonna make a Gabe special recipe. This is one that I've mentioned to people and they've all been like, ooh, doesn't sound good, but watch this, guys. It's the best chicken wrap you will ever make. Let's go. Oh, and welcome to Gabe in the Kitchen. Tell me that's not gorgeous. So, in here we've got 2 chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs. You can have chicken breast if you're desperate, I guess. But we want to use chicken thighs. We want a nice juicy piece of dark meat, guys. So all we need is some salt. We'll keep the seasoning very simple, guys. Just salt, black pepper.
Oh no.
Curry powder. Just a tiny bit on. That's it, seasoned. Now we're gonna fry them up. So, in a frying pan, put some oil in there. It's about a tablespoon in there. You don't need much. Don't worry about oil for your proteins, guys. Protein doesn't really absorb oil unless you're doing a carbohydrate. Don't be scared of oil. So I could deep fry this and it wouldn't really change the oil content in the meat because it doesn't absorb. But yeah, it's just a weird thing that people do. They're so worried about how much oil they use to fry their protein. Don't be that guy. Anyway, get yourself one of these. Just you tell them what that is.
Who bought it for you?
It was you.
It's a burger press, isn't it?
It's a burger press. What do we do with a burger press?
Like get it all rusty, that's what. What do? We press it, we use it to press down on our meat and make sure that it's all in contact with the pan.
That's
so you
right.
get a nice sear.
So grab yourself a grease proof, enough to cover your chicken like so. When this is up to temperature, 170, we're gonna, the chicken's still a bit cold. So get that up. And then you just wanna put that down like so, sizzle, sizzle, and then press it down for maximum contact. In here, this is where most of you will be like, ooh, baked beans, guys. This is trust me, okay? Trust me. This is the most delicious. If you've ever had Greg's bean melt, cheese and beef sausage bean melt, this is like that but better. You gotta try it first, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of all of that. We don't want any tomatoey. We want it quite dry. And then we could have gotten rid of a bit more sauce, but it's fine. Get all that out.
You're making a mess.
And then we want to start our seasoning. Because I want to use the same spoon. I'm going to start with sugar. I don't want to put spices in my sugar. So you want about, oh yeah, all this, while we're doing this, the chicken is still frying away. So we want 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Oh Lord.
We want half a teaspoon of black pepper in there. Half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder in there. Smoked paprika. You want 1 flat teaspoon in there.
Notice how we've upgraded our smoked paprika.
Hell yeah.
So now the spoon can fit in there.
Masala, this is optional. If you have garam masala, use it. If you don't bother. And it's only about half a teaspoon anyway. So half a teaspoon in there. Woo! You want about 1.5. That came out a bit too quickly, but yeah, 1.5 apple cider vinegar or whatever vinegar you've got. I didn't even shake it, so the mother is still at the bottom.
Oh, that's a rookie mistake.
Look at that. The mother's still at the bottom. Give it a good old shake. Right, we'll add a bit more because we want the good old mother. The mother is good for you guys. Nah, just to balance out that sugar, because the baked beans already has sugar and we've added sugar. Yeah.
But why did we add sugar to already sweet things?
And then we'll add a sprinkle because we want more sugar, baby. A sprinkle that in there. This is a quick recipe, guys. You just came back from work. You're in a hurry.
The chicken is optional.
The chicken is not optional.
The chicken's optional.
The chicken is not
What
optional.
what if they're vegetarian or vegan? Oh,
Right.
we're going to check on the chicken.
Here we should have a nice sear. Okay, it's not quite ready yet, but we'll do a few more times. Don't worry.
Ooh, rookie mistake.
We'll put that down and then we'll press again.
Well, it's chicken like steak.
It's chicken like steak.
Yeah.
Chicken like steak.
It's chicken like steak. Is it better to turn it as many times as possible?
Well, see, that's why I've got the press, so I don't need to turn it as many times. With steak, you want to be turning because you want to make sure bits that everything gets a nice even contact with the pan. But because we've got that, you don't need to turn it as frequently because the whole thing is getting pressed and most of that surface is getting pressed onto the heat. So you should get a nice sear on the whole thing. Okay.
Beautiful.
Look how delicious these look.
They look nicer on camera. Look at that deep color.
We're gonna just cook it according to the packet instructions. So that's 3 minutes total. 1 minute stir, 1 minute. So guys, you want to cook that till the get yourself a thermometer. The thickest part should read 75 degrees C. Then you know it's cooked. But please do not eat raw chicken. So because this is nearly done, we're just gonna start our beans in here for 1.5 minutes. And then we'll take this off. So, I'm happy with that. Are you happy with that, Jeff?
I'm hungry. It looks worse on here. Like it's got pinkish hues, but no, that's nice and golden brown. GBD. Yeah, that looks a bit better.
Now I'm just gonna chop this up into nice strips. So, time to assemble. We've made roughly enough for 3 wraps. You can make it 2 wraps if you like your wraps a bit larger, or you can have it as 3 wraps. So in here, I've just got, what are these, Jess?
Dairy cheese.
Dairy cheese slices.
Yeah.
So you want to take a little piece like this, just to set aside. It will make sense very soon. Then, I've divided my protein into 3. So I'm just going to grab a third of this. Lay that out on the cheese. Grab your super beans mix. Really thick and flavorful. That's, oh, guys. Then I'm just gonna spoon the cheese over like so.
Beans.
The beans.
I got you.
Like
Don't
so.
worry.
Now, all we do is we close and we form a beautiful wrap. Like so. Yeah, baby. I can already see, I can already taste it. Then the extra slice of cheese you grab, that is to seal your wrap while it cooks. So we'll have that there, like a little seal for your stamp. Then we've got salted butter. I'll drop that in there.
Why have you made 3 wraps?
Oh, one's for lunch tomorrow. We'll share. So we sort of, whatever we make for dinner, we make a little bit extra to have for lunch the following day. The other 3 wraps. Just gonna add a bit more butter.
Gabriel loves butter.
2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. So get yourself a wire rack of sorts, and you just want to cool that down like so. Delicious! I've copied that from Google. Delicious wraps. Thank you so much. Well, Gabe's special delicious chicken bean cheese wraps. My special. I'll be surprised if you can find someone who does it the exact same way that I do. But guys, this is a must try for sure. Give this a go. Let me know in the comments how it went for you, how you find it. Is it delicious? All that good stuff. If you like what you see, you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like, all that good stuff. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for being here. And yeah, if we can get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to make a fine dining dish. Something you'd find in a fine dining restaurant. Here, that's my pledge right there. 500 subscribers and I'll do it. See you then. Bye.
Yeah. they like to do that, don't
I
they?
set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy.
Right, we're gonna try
Look in
one.
the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything.
That is incredible.
Oh my god, says the guy who made it. Says the guy who made it.
I wouldn't lie to you guys.
Wouldn't you?
I would not lie to you. The buttery crispiness in that tortilla
Man's now a connoisseur.
is fucking fantastic.
Gabriel!
man. I didn't say it.
You did!
The apple cider vinegar is perfectly balanced with the sugar that we added. The smokiness from that smoked paprika. Oh my god, the smokiness from that smoked paprika coming all the way through. The chicken, my god. Even though we didn't get a nice sear, crispy sear on there, doesn't matter. It's not missed. This is heaven. Such a nice, wholesome meal. Easy, quick, healthy, fiber, protein, all that good stuff.
Okay, you finished?
I don't even know what to say. You just gotta try it, guys. God damn, try this dish. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.